What to consider when choosing a weight loss cleanse. If you are interested in losing weight, then you have heard of weight loss cleanses, also commonly referred to as colon cleanses, before? If you have not, you may want to take the time to examine them. Colon cleanses are mostly used to remove unwanted toxins from the body, but they can also be used in weight loss. That is why it is sometimes possible to find colon cleanses being referred to as weight loss cleanses. If you have never tried a colon cleanse before, namely to lose weight, you may be wondering what you should look for in a colon cleanse. If that is the case, you will want to continue reading on. Outlined below are a few of the many points that you should take into consideration when looking to buy a colon cleanse. Perhaps, the most important factor to take into consideration, when looking to buy a colon cleanse or a weight loss cleanse, is safety. You must find a colon cleanse that is safe to use. Colon cleanses and weight loss cleanses are made and sold by several different manufacturers and distributors. While many colons and weight loss cleanses do work, you will find that not all do. There are even some colon cleanses which can put your health at risk. That is why you must review each colon or weight loss cleanse that you are interested in buying. When it comes to researching colon cleanses and weight loss cleanses, you have several different options. Perhaps, the easiest way to review these popular weight loss tools is by performing a standard internet search. You may want to perform a standard internet search with the name of the colon cleanse that you would like to try. You will want to examine all information that you come across, especially product reviews. Another way that you can determine if the colon cleanse or weight loss cleanse that you are interested in trying is safe is by consulting with a healthcare professional, like a dietitian or your primary care physician. Another factor that you will want to take into consideration is the length of the colon cleanses or weight loss cleanse in question. When examining the length of the colon cleanse in question, you will find that it often depends on the type of cleansing that you are using. You should be able to find colon cleanses or weight loss cleanses that are in pill format, those that are in ready-to-drink format, as well as those that can be mixed into a drink. For the most part, you will find that drinkable colon cleanses require shorter use times, like for 2 or 3 days. It is common to find colon cleanses, especially those in pill formats, which need to be taken for up to 30 days or more. The directions of the colon cleanse or weight loss cleanse that you would like to try is also important when choosing a weight loss to cleanse. As with the length of a colon cleanse, you will find that the directions of each cleanse also varies. For instance, there are some colon cleanses, namely those in pill formats, that allow you to go about eating your normal diet. On the other hand, there are some colon cleanses that require you to limit your food and drink intake, often to specific products. If you choose a colon to cleanse that requires you to only eat certain foods or go without eating for a day, it is important to make sure that you can follow those directions. If not, your colon cleanse may not work as intended and you may not be able to lose weight. The above-mentioned factors are a few of the many that you should take into consideration when looking to buy a weight loss cleanse or a colon cleanse for yourself. While some colon cleanses are not marketed as weight loss products, you will find that many do result in weight loss.